Hi everyone, welcome back to our channels. Do you feel like your skin is aging faster than you are? Most people spend hundreds of dollars on anti-aging creams. But today I am going to reveal a secret that costs less than $5. But adding one powerful ingredient to your regular Vaseline, you can create a youth blend that blums skins, as our fine lines and makes a 60-year-old hands and face look incredibly young. If you have dry, saggy, or dull skin, stay tuned because the formula is a game changer. Now, why Vaseline? Vaseline is an adhesive. This means it creates a barrier on your skin to stop moisture from escaping. But Vaseline alone does not provide nutrients to turn it into anti-aging powerhouse. We are adding vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that repairs damaged skin cells and boosts collagen's protections. When you mix the two Vaselines pushes the vitamin E deep into your skins and cells it day or night. This is why the results are so fast. Let's make these miracle creams together. Step 1. Take 2 tablespoons of pure white petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and put it in a small clean glass container. Step 2. Take 3 vitamin E capsules, use on needles to pick them and squeeze the oil into the Vaseline. Step 3. The secret tips. If you have wet dry skin, add half a tablespoon of sweet almond oils. It contains vitamin A retinol, which is famous for removing wrinkles. Therefore, mix it thoroughly for at least 2 minutes until it becomes a smooth creamy white paste. Most people use Vaseline wrong. Listen carefully. First, wash your face and hands with warm water to open your pores. Do not dry your skin completely. Leave it slightly damp. Take a small amount of your mixture, palm it between your fingers and massage it onto your face in and upward motions. Never pull your skin down for your hands. Focus on the knuckles and the back of hand where skin is tightness. Water on your skin will be trapped by the mixtures, giving you an instant flutter effect. Use this every night for 7 days. You will wake up with skin that feels like silky. By the second week, you will notice your fine lines are less visible and your skin tone is more even. It's never too late to take care of your skins. If you are 40, 50, or 60, these simple hacks will give you that youthful glow back. If you enjoyed these videos, please give it a thumbs up and share it with the friends who love natural beauty. Don't forget to subscribe for more secrets to stay young.